Live. This is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is October 11th, 2012. It's 10/11/12 today. Ooh, 10/11/12. And it is Thursday, the eve of Friday. And here's your news update for today. Right now, if you'd like to stop and catch the last part of the debate, go for it. I think it's on till 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And the two vice presidents are having it out. And all I have to say about that is, where's Ron Paul and maybe Jesse Ventura as vice president? And that would take care of this whole debate thing right across the board. Ron Paul with running mate vice president Jesse Ventura, and then the problem would be over. Alrighty then. Let's go to the watchers. Stellar evolution. Chandra delivers first systematic survey of nebulas in solar system neighborhood. Denmark achieved solar energy goal 8 years in advance. Turmeric can help regenerate the liver. Turmeric. Groundbreaking new research. Turmeric can help regenerate the liver. Groundbreaking new research. Alrighty then. Moving on. Take this to the E&E. Swedish officials admit toxic chemtrails are real, not a wild conspiracy theory. That was also on the Watchers. There you go. Alright. Moving on to the Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. 6.7 magnitude earthquake strikes south coast of Papua, Indonesia. Heads up. Also, today, tensions rise between Turkey and Syria over forced landing of civilian plane. Also, today, Turkey and Syria on the brink of all-out war. Also, today. Oh, no, this is yesterday. Brain-eating amoeba claims 10 victims in Pakistan. I already mentioned that one. So we'll move on. Next up, E&E News. The Fukushima News from Energy News. Asahi. Radioactive material may be flowing differently at Fukushima Unit 1. Survey results opposite of what TEPCO expected. Of course. Photo. Over 100 cattle have died at farms since 3/11. Farmer says it's from Fukushima syndrome. Again, a syndrome is something you don't know why it happens. We do know that it's from radiation sickness, radiation poisoning, radiation illness. Do not call that a syndrome. I don't know why it's still being called a syndrome. That is wrong. Wrong. Fukushima boss and 3/11 footage. Spent fuel pool at Unit 1 is exposed now. Oh. Asahi TV. There are much more shocking parts yet to be seen in secret Fukushima's footage. Alrighty then. Let's move on now. See what's going on in U.S. Canada on E&E News. Probably more information on the sinkhole. Let's see. Okay, today, watch. Pilot films substantial amounts of fresh-looking oil engulf around BP's Macondo Reservoir. Latest flyover shows new area over pipeline breaking up into giant sinkhole. Also today, local newspaper concerned that BP's fresh oil is coming from fractures in floor of Gulf. Also today, gas pipeline found floating in giant sinkhole. Also today, confirmed government oil reported in Gulf matches BP's Macondo well. Alrighty then. Well, I guess somehow it's starting to look like this has to do with the BP Macondo oil spill. What's going on with the sinkhole? It's not rocket science. Alrighty then. Let's see what else I got up here. Okay. Alright. Countdown. 70 days, 8 hours, 31 minutes, 22 seconds until December 21st, 2012, 11 Greenwich Mean Time. Also on the same website it's saying 2012 solar storm warning, and it says it's from NASA. So we might have a solar storm happening right now. I'd like to click on it, but it might be some kind of something funky, so we'll wait on that. Alrighty then. That was a quick news update for today. Not a lot of news. Everyone's watching the debate. Maybe you can catch it. Take care. I'll see you on Friday. It's 4 days down. One to go before the end of the week. It's the eve of Friday. Hang in there, and I'll see you again tomorrow on the flip side. Stay safe and be prepared.